Absolutely love getting 30 seconds into something, and my battery goes from total green full power to empty. So, love it. Stephanie, is your 18th scale Ford Interceptor Utility / Explorer, decaled as a WOODRIDGE Police Department unit out of Illinois, as the French might say. I doubt that they say it that way, but anyway, Illinois. Had a couple different pictures. You sent me 48 and 49. Went with 49 on this one. All the other decals are like the pictures that you sent. Interior is done the same as your Chicago Explorer with a work light, decals on the laptop, whatnot. Flashing headlights and taillights with this one. Red and blue strobe light bar that has selectable patterns, which differs from your Chicago one. 2 red and 2 blue LEDs back here on the rear visor, tucked underneath the rear spoiler, or whatever you want to call that. License plates, of course, all your proper decals on the rear there as well. And on this side too. The antenna will have to come off because it's going in the box. This won't fit. So I'll pop that off, put it in a little plastic Ziploc bag to be in there, just like the one in Chicago that I sent you. Stapled to the back of the box where this is mounted. Of course, this door opens as well. Flashing headlights, I mentioned that. Red and blue grille strobes. Red and blue alternating strobe side window. Button setup on this one's a little bit different. Main power switch here. Button in the driver's side muffler will change patterns on the light bar. This one here is for your siren sounds. Batteries will cut out for you, just like you wanted the Chicago one done, so it's easy to change. If you just press up on this just a little bit, it'll actually spin. Try to do it with one hand. Then you can turn it, and it'll come out of the hole. Put the new one back in there, push it in there, spin it 90 degrees. That way it'll kind of lock it in place so it won't fall out. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and turn the main power on. I'm going to hurry up. My battery ran out again. Again, of course, you can see your side window strobe there. Interior work light. Decals on the MDT or the laptop. Of course, you can see the light bar going there. Red and blue strobe in the grill. Again, 3 strobes or triple strobe patterns of those. Looks like just a single flash, but it's actually triple strobes. Of course, you can see your flashing headlights. Red and blue alternating on the side window. On the rear, you have 2 reds and 2 blues. Again, with the triple strobe patterns that you'll see in there. Flashing taillights. And, of course, red and blue strobe on this side window as well. I mentioned the light bar. Button on the muffler over here on the driver's side. May not be able to detect it very well with my wonderful camera, but press this. Each pattern, excuse me, each pattern will lock in. That's a real fast wig-wag triple strobe. Press this again, and this will be a simultaneous flash. Get rid of some of my shop light shining down. So all LEDs across flash at the same time. Hit again a slower wig-wag. Again, each time you see the blue side, red side is actually triple strobing. It happens pretty quick. My camera just won't pick it up. Flash rate's too slow. Frame rate, I mean. Hit that again and turn it off completely. So every time you turn the main power on, it'll automatically start going through the patterns. Or if you go that far with it, you just press this again and it'll start up the run through the patterns automatically. Again, the siren control is on the passenger side muffler. It's very loud, like your Chicago one. We'll run through that real quick. And of course, hit it again, it turns completely off, thank goodness. So anyway, there you have it. I appreciate the orders. So I'll get this one shipped out to you tomorrow, whether you pay for it or not. I kind of drug my feet on this one, and I apologize. I want to make sure I get it there in time. I know you're good for the money. At least I assume you are. We're gonna say you are, but we'll get it shipped out to you tomorrow, regardless. Thank you again, and so I appreciate your patience on this. Turn the camera off, don't I?